Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to prepare beetroot idli. Beets are underappreciated root vegetable packed with various nutrients. I have chopped the beets and placed in the mixer jar. Combine with water and make puree until smooth paste is formed. Transfer the puree to the idli batter. Stir the batter till it is mixed properly. Meanwhile, prepare the idli maker by greasing with oil. Pour batter into each pocket and steam them for 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, if you are liking my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please do try this recipe at home and let me know in comment how it turned out for you. Now parallelly, we'll do the preparation of Sambhar. So we'll cook dal in a pressure cooker for 3 to 4 whistles. I'm using arhar dal for this recipe. I have already chopped the vegetables and kept them aside. I'm pouring half tablespoon of oil into a hot pan, adding mustard and fenugreek seed for tadka, 2 strands of curry leaves, some chopped garlic, green chilies. Saute and then start adding vegetables one by one. Onions, turnips, yellow pumpkin, carrots, radish and tomatoes. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, switch off the flame. Now transfer these vegetables to a pre-cooked dal. Mix. Add half lemon size tamarind. I'm adding garam masala here since I do not have sambar powder at home. You can add sambar powder if you have. Pour some water. Give it a mix. Cover and cook for 2 whistles. Once done, serve with idli. Thanks for watching.